Do you ever have like a parent or a family member that before you go, they try and give you all their food? Well, my aunt loaded me up with a bunch of stuff. I don't know if you can really see it, but like, I don't even know if I'm gonna eat all that stuff, but I just said yes because, for one, so they would have more space for themselves because they have lots of food, and two, you never know what we're gonna eat on the road. But today is departure day. Michael and I, we're heading out.
I'm so excited.
Are you?
Yeah, dude, I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Yeah, so we've been here for several days. Not too many days, I don't think, but a few. But yeah, there's a lot of little things to organize and coordinate and just kind of get ready. I got my tea. I got my GoPro now mounted right here, nice and easy. We don't have power yet on the bus, but we have two portable power banks, I guess. We got some water, got a couple errands. Otherwise, we're heading west. We're gonna pick up vegetable oil components in 4 to 5 days. Then we're picking up, yeah, the other headlight. I don't know if I mentioned, but I ordered 2 of my previous headlights that I had. They're both fantastic. I'll mention those when we put them on. One of them came, it was wrong. I had to send it back, and they're sending it to Montana. So, anyways, let's hit the road. Fork in the river road. I don't know. He's gonna take over.
Yep.
What are you looking at right now?
Hot springs.
Yep.
Super excited.
All these books have come in handy. I think I put them in my Amazon store if you want to check those out for the exact titles. But there aren't really any great apps for hot springs, and a lot of places you don't have service. I personally like to have a copy of the book close by. You can also take a picture of it if you don't want to carry it with you, things like that. But I don't know, it's just kind of fun. People are always asking me, hey, where's the closest hot spring? And then I just open up my book. So anyways, I got some spray paint for our destination. We're gonna do a little art today. But yeah, everything is, you know, in boxes. My whole life is in boxes. I am hungry, but we do have lots of snacks, and I'm tired. So, a t-shirt that I always wear. You guys see my white t-shirt with like the blue and the thing? It's really comfy. It's kind of almost comfy like this one where it's like super thin. It's so funny because they actually hit me up on Instagram and were like, hey, we really like your account. And I was like, hey, your t-shirts are my favorite ones. So they just sent me a box of like super comfy, here.
God, hold it up.
No, just tell me what you think of the cotton.
Whoa, no, it is actually really nice.
Yeah. So, and it's actually turns out to be my buddy's. It's actually my buddy's company, from LA. Yeah, and he didn't even hit me up. It was like his social media person was like, "Hey, we love what you're doing." So, anyways, Freedom Artist. 1, 2. This one, I don't know if I'm gonna wear that. That's like
it's not our
hipster tie dye. 3. Oh, cool! And then I got a hat. Because as you know, this hat has seen better days. Oh well, we'll figure it out. But anyways, I'm super stoked because this is going into the trash, and a bunch of other t-shirts are going in the trash. So I got some more gear, so I'm super stoked. We were just talking about t-shirts the other day.
We were. Every new t-shirt is a day you don't gotta do laundry.
Yeah. And also, for some reason, now people are sending me all their gear and t-shirts and stuff, so I'm just, yeah, I'm super stoked. So thank you guys for that over at Freedom Artists. Eh? What do you guys think? Now look, you like the new hat? It's not as cooter looking as the other one. The other one was has seen better days. I know Stepdad Bill was giving me some crap for that one. Anyways, you ready to hit the road?
Yeah, ready to go.
So we hit a fork in the road and we're trying to figure out which way to go east here. And also, this is what I'm having for lunch. I got a yogurt container with spaghetti no meatballs, but then I put salami, is it salami in there? And I'm eating with chopsticks. Hashtag bus life! I didn't really let a lot of people drive, but I'm very much enjoying chilling out back here in the kids area, we'll say. Well, Michael just, you know, is focused on the driving up there with the utmost care, as you can see by his feet. That's a great thing about AC. And just to let you know where we are, this is part of the beautiful Columbia River, and it's coming through so nice right now because of the window tint. It's almost like having a filter on the camera, but it is just so incredibly beautiful out here. And I think we have another, I don't know, we'll just say 2 hours to drive. We're going to a really cool spot that will totally make sense that myself and Michael are going to visit it. Did I mention we got spray paint? Look at how gorgeous this is. We are just on the Highway 395, which goes all the way down to Southern California and all the way up to Canada, I guess. I don't know. It is kind of sunset right now. Look at what Mother Nature has in store for you and your eyeballs. It's a beautiful, magical, colorful sunset over here. It's pretty nice. We got Michael sipping on something. What are you drinking over here?
I am drinking some, what's it called? Dandy
Blend.
Dandy Blend.
Yeah.
It is my new favorite thing.
Yeah.
It's essentially, I don't even know what you call it. It's like a coffee substitute, maybe. It's made out of like dandelions and
burdock.
Yeah.
And sugar beets, I think.
Yeah, but it's phenomenal. It's super healthy and it tastes amazing.
Yeah, yeah. So basically, I had it at the house. I got it because it's like healthy, but it tastes just like coffee, I swear to God. Yeah, it's good for either your kidney or your liver, I forget. Perhaps both. But yeah, you get your daily dose of dandelion, and which is not a weed, it is a herb. It's really good for you. And I don't know, we got a big 2-pound bag and we've been doing instant coffee substitute. And
I'm already drinking like I've already had like quite a few cups since I've been with you.
Yeah, I know.
It's really good. I even cooked it on the bus with my camping stove because I wanted some right now.
Yeah, that's true. So anyways, he put that on his Instagram, so I know it's going to come out after that post disappears, but if you know who he is and you saw it, you know what we're talking about. Anyways, we got another 45 minutes, probably an hour in the school bus before we get to our destination, so I don't know if there's really gonna be anything else going on tonight because it's gonna be dark. There's a rest area, I think, off this one, if I was reading that correctly. We're gonna hit that exciting place tomorrow because by the time we get there and get around and all that spray paint stuff, it's gonna be a little bit hard to see what's really going on over there. So let's see what kind of rest stop we get ourselves into here. Do you guys see what I see? That epic sunset right there? Whew, man. All right, fans of adventure. You don't have to have a completely built out bus to have a nice meal. We just got a little of this brie, some just French bread, salami. Thank you, Aunt Patty, again for that. And this is our dinner. So we were just talking about how the fact that you don't have to have a built out school bus to live the school bus life. You know, just do it within your means if that is what floats your boat. You know, you can do a van, a car, or anything. And Michael actually lived in a car for a while. This guy's traveled every single state in
Except for Hawaii.
Except for Hawaii. Yeah. What car was it again that you were in?
Well, I was in a Nissan Sentra at first with 2 people.
Wow.
Yeah, and then I was in I think it's a Toyota Highlander. I think it's Toyota. Mm-hmm. And I was with one of my friends.
Nice.
And that was like 4 months or so.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So guys, you can do the road trip thing in your car and just pull over and pop a tent if you don't have extra space to walk around like a school bus. Anyways, I guess we'll end the video here. Thanks so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.